Zero Education Society, redefining excellence.
I am Rishikesh Mune and I am from Yale College of Engineering and Research. Today our topic is potato battery. Potato battery batteries have three parts: an anode which is negative terminal, second a cathode which is positive terminal, third the electrolyte which is a compound in that ions when dissolved in a solvent. The chemical reaction in a battery causes the electrons to build up at the anode. This results in a chemical difference between the anode and the cathode. This difference is an unstable buildup of the electrons. The electrons want to arrange themselves so that there is no longer a difference, but they have to do the specific way. The electrons repel each other and try to go to the place with the favor electron in the battery. The only place to go is a cathode, but the electrolyte keeps the electron from going straight from the anode to the cathode inside the battery. When the circuit is closed, the electrons will be able to get to the cathodes. In the picture you can see the electrons go through the wire lighting the light bulb along the way. However, this electrochemical process changes to the chemical in anode and the cathode to make them stop supplying electrons. So there is a limited amount of power available in a battery. That's when the battery runs out. Potatoes naturally contains salt, one of the most important ingredients for containing electricity. In electricity, salt is important for conducting the current in the form of ions. When combined with water, the salt breaks apart into a separate ion conducting positive and negative charges to power a small electronic device. What makes a potato similar to a battery? The liquid electrolyte is a battery similar to a potato juice. Just potato juice ionize substance into their ions in a solvent like electrolyte. That's what makes a potato similar to electrical battery. In order form it to give the potato power. In this same way, potato juice makes the electrons go in either the anode or the cathode. Then all the electrons travel through a wire from anode to the cathode. Another similarity is that the potato batteries are electrical batteries. Both have the limited amount of energy. When the flow of electrons in the battery stops, the energy runs out. Even though these two items have different acid levels on the pH scale, they are both acidic enough to produce electricity. Data. The open circuit voltage of simple potato series is 954 millivolts. The open circuit voltage of two potato series is 926 millivolts. The closed circuit voltage of three potato series is 860 millivolts. The closed circuit voltage of two potato